Okay, hello everybody. I am back on my training series. This is a look into my own mental space when I am teaching school and working at Walmart on the weekends. I think it's just a human thing. I don't have as much energy to do YouTube as I would like. I'm trying to fix it, but I'm a literal working class hero. But we're on Thanksgiving break. So it takes me about 5 days of just resting, and then I'm ready to start doing this like it's a job. So, okay, we're going to learn Davinci Resolve today. I need to go back to my old video and see where I am at. So I'm going to pull that up here. And I'm going to go get my headphones. Sophie, you want to talk to him while I get my headphones? Keep him entertained.
Hello. It's nice to meet you. But that's small. It's not okay if you have no pajamas. But if you do have pajamas, that's great. But if you really
Sophie touched it and muted it. Okay. I think we're back. Let's see if I can hear myself. Sophie touched it and muted it. That sounds great. Okay, so we're live. All right. Okay, so I'm trying to find my old video here. I'm going to share it. Find where I was. This was recorded a year and a half ago. I haven't forgot. Slow but thorough. That's what my previous bosses have said about me. Okay, let's see here. So this is it. And let's see where I was in this video. Maybe it's like half speed. I mean, okay. So I need to see what guide was I going through? Current clip is, I guess, we'll make in the upper left corner, the bottom of the interface. Okay. Editor's keyboard. Both of these keyboards allow introducing the cut page. Let's just find the last thing I can see that I read and try to find that in the new manual. L plays forward. Controlling playback with the keyboard. That'll work. Okay. Now while I'm looking for that, controlling playback with the keyboard. The cut page also supports the traditional JKL keyboard. Okay.
I'm making your hands so pleasant.
It's Davinci Resolve. Would it be the user manual, I guess? Probably.
Hi, Dad. What are we doing?
Reference manual.
Dad, I want a movie. My sister,
I know you want a movie. I'm doing my stream right now, and then I'll put a movie on for you, okay? See, this is going to take me so long to go through it. I don't know if I should stick with the same manual or continually go to the new manual. I don't think it really matters. Read full Davinci 19 reference manual. Let's see if it's a lot different. If I can find that same spot. I'm sure they're reusing similar stuff. So I want to find controlling playback with the keyboard. Let's Control F that. Controlling playback. Nothing. And a 4,000 page manual. Okay.
Here you go.
So much stuff. It's amazing. Let's keep looking in here. Let me go back to the beginning and see what manual this is. I was doing this in OBS. Davinci Resolve 17 Beginner's Guide. Maybe we can find Davinci Resolve 19 Beginner's Guide. Go through that and then go back and go through the normal manual. The Beginner's Guide to Davinci Resolve 18. Please don't be on that cord, girls. That's plugged in down there, and that'll break it. It'll snap it off in the computer. Please don't step on that cord, okay?
I'm not stepping on it. Look, I'm just going on the side.
All right. I like being around you guys.
What?
I like being around you and doing this around you.
Hey, go.
We just can't break the computer.
Go around.
Davinci Resolve 19 Beginner's Guide. It's under training.
Take every spot here. You can't make
Training guide, maybe.
I will take every spot here.
Introduction to color, introduction to Fairlight, introduction to fusion. Looks like the newest one is the Beginner's Guide to 18. So let's step up our game to 18. I know they're on 19 now. Girls, you're really making me nervous standing by that cord, okay? Please don't stand back there by the computer. Don't stand right there. You can stand over here, okay? I need to plug it in the back. I don't know if I have a USB-C in the back, though. Okay. Download. All right. So now let's see if I can find that same thing that I had before. The same spot. controlling playback with the keyboard.
Hey, Dad, can I do this? Can I do the mouth?
No, sweetheart, you can't do the mouth. I'm trying to do this, sweet girl. I love you to death. You gotta let me do this, though, okay? The McConnell family is saving up for a studio shed out back where we can do this someday in the future, but it's okay. You guys can be in here. You just can't you can't touch the computer. You're kind of like cats. Other people have cats jump on their keyboard. I have a 4-year-old and a 7-year-old. Okay, I think this will work. This looks about the same. And then there was like a video files that went along with it, if I remember. Does this version come with those? Let's see. Okay. Okay, we downloaded it, copying the lesson files. Okay. Where's I gotta download each one individually, or can I download them all? Complete. Okay. I guess you can't download them all. No, that's free. Click the part 1 link to download the media. Click the part 1 link to download the media. Where? They all just look individual to me. Training books, download lesson files. That's what I think. Okay. Save. I can take a test at the end. Huh. Okay. Well, these lesson files are quite large. All right. I remember working with the media pool. I remember that clip, I think. And if I remember correctly. Okay. Hold K. Scrubs forward or backward at half speed. Clip. Let's forward. There. Oh, I love it. This is what I was trying to find. Me. 2x2xl. I think people just learn this by doing projects like. We're right. This seems so. Page 25 in the PDF. We're at changing the clips in the source tape. Changing the clips in the source tape. What'd you say? I'm trying to learn how to use this video editing software. Inserting the B-roll. You know what? I'm just going to stick with 17 and go all the way through that. I think that'll teach me the basics and then go through 18 as a refresher. The Beginner's Guide to Davinci Resolve 17. Maybe it's in Google. It'll be interesting to see if you can still download lesson files for Davinci 17. Okay. There they are. 17 Beginner's Guide. Well, let's find the PDF. Where is that now? Let's put PDF at the end. It's only 18 now. Come on, come on, come on. I would highly recommend spending the time to go through this. Okay? I'm trying to find it. I know I have it on my other computer, but it should be easy to find on the internet. Let's try DuckDuckGo. That looks like it. There we go. Okay. How much time did that take us? 18 minutes. Well, that's better than a year and a half. Let's make sure we download 18 as well so I don't have to do this next time. I did that one. Okay, I'm good on that one. And the reference manual. Let's make sure we download that too. Okay, for 19. Beginner's Guide to 17. There it is. Okay. And 17 Beginner's Guide lessons. 18 lessons. Cool. There's no 19 lessons yet, so we're still on top of it. Now, according to our... Let's copy the lesson files into here. After downloading to your computer, open your downloads folder and double click to unzip it. For from your downloads folder, drag to your videos folder. Okay. Well, these ones aren't nearly as fast to download as the other one, but we'll see what happens. Let's see, what page was I on again? Right there. Yeah, for it. I think that's page 10. Page 25 in the PDF, where it's changing the clips. Page 25. Changing the clips in the source tape. That's where we were. Changing the clips in the source tape. Okay, well, I'm back to where I was before. So let's open Davinci. This is one of those things that'll be painful to get through, but I know when I get through it, I'll be like, look at all the stuff I can do now. Can I share Davinci instead? Let's see. I'll just show you guys this. Share the welcome to Davinci. Yep, that's the one I want to share. Can you see it? Nope, you can't. Browser can't access your screen. Okay. Yeah, I definitely need 2 monitors to do this. I need another monitor in here. I want to share a window, Davinci window, and it will not let me. So I'm just going to share it like this. Present, share screen. Present, share screen. And it won't even let me click on things because that's underneath it. Wow, what a Missouri English teacher here. Okay. Let's share the audio as well. Share. Okay. No, I think you can see that. Yeah, what's new in Davinci Resolve 19? Replay, live post-production, live multiple camera broadcast, play out and replay with speed control. IntelliTrack AI tracking, incredibly accurate AI multi-point based positional tracking. I don't know what that is. Color slice 6 vector grading, intuitive controls for richer vibrance and color density. Don't know what that is. Ultra A&R noise reduction, improved noise reduction powered by Davinci Neural AI engine. That one makes sense. Text-based timeline editing. Move or delete text to edit and insert subtitles via transcriptions. Okay. Sounds useful. Inspiring cinematic film looks in a single resolve effect. That sounds useful. Advanced volumetric rendering, finesse smoke and flame effects for incredible realism. Well, I definitely need that for my audiobooks. Make them more spicier. Make them spicier, more spicier. There you go. That's a good English teacher for you. I did pass the English teaching exam, so standards have fallen. AI audio panning to video. Track objects in video viewer for automatic spatial panning. That sounds interesting, I guess. I don't want to learn more right now. I'm going to go ahead. Well, maybe I want to see where that goes. And I'll look at that later. Continue. Let's make sure you're all set up. Quick setup. Okay. It's got a good graphics card and a good operating system. Okay. What type of project would you like to start? I guess a 4K. You know what? Let's start a 1080 HD. I always do 4K, so I'm gonna do 4K. Sure. Familiar with another nonlinear editor? No, just teach me this one. Okay. There's literally a vacuum in the background. This is my life. We're gonna keep it going. I have young children, and I want to do this. So it's gonna happen this way, people. This is the way it's gonna happen. All right. Davinci 19. Loading projects. It's taking its time. Maybe it's the first load. Maybe that's it. The first load is a load. Is a lift. I want to get to the point where I can use that little thing like that guy's using. What in the world is he doing? Looks like he's flying a spaceship. You guys seeing what I'm seeing? Yes, you are. There you go. Be careful sharing screen audio. Yeah, I'm not that worried about that. Well, this is not loading very well. Let's see how our download's coming. Mm. 30 minutes. Might go faster when that one's done. Maybe we could pause that one. You know what? I don't even think it's worth it. Just let it go. All right. I'm going to check some things and see if that is still loading or if it's crashed out. Let's close some programs and see if that helps. Quit. 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 Close. Discard changes. Okay. That be loaded yet? No. Still not loaded yet. Loading projects. Still thinking about it. Close that one. Task Manager doesn't say it's stuck. My Brave browser is using most of my memory. I'm going to close it and try it again. What's that, sweet girl? Can I what? Can you blow up the bouncy castle? Didn't you just blow it up a second ago? You can blow it up. I don't care. I'm just trying to get this going. Hopefully next time it'll be faster. Davinci Resolve open. I think it's trying to open it. Maybe it's a Herculean task to open it. I don't know. I'm just getting a spinning wheel. Okay. We're blowing up the bouncy castle. Priorities, people. Changing the clips in the source tape. That's where we're at. Yeah, this isn't loading at all.
It's an up and down house.
I messed it up. It's end task. End task. Okay, I don't see it anymore. All right, last Hail Mary attempt. Oh yeah, it was hung up somehow. Yep, now we are in an untitled project. And there's already an update available. I don't understand that. But what did I just download? Okay, well, whatever version we have, we're going to use that. And let's keep going. This is okay. I'm fine with this. This is going to be a messy process. I'm not trying to prove anything to anyone other than I'm working. It is kind of it's mainly a thing that I've promised myself that I will do. So I'm keeping a commitment to my lonesome here. It does make me feel better with my Patreon people, so they can see like, yeah, that guy's doing something. He's trying. Every year and a half, he tries a little more. Okay, let's see if you can see that. Can you see that? Yes, you can. Changing the clips in the source tape. In addition to different ways of reviewing the clips, you can also change how the clips are ordered and displayed in source tape mode. Source tape mode will always the display, the footage will always display the footage. They could hire me as an editor from the current bin, including any bins inside the current bin, selected in the media pool and in the order the media pool is displaying the clips. Source tape mode. I don't have anything in the media pool yet. So one, click the sort media by menu at the top of the media pool. Well, there's no media in there really yet. So how close are we to that media being downloaded? A ways away. I'm going to pause this one, see if that speeds it up a little bit. The R18 lessons are almost done. So that should make the R17 go faster. Okay. definitely need another monitor to do this because it is hard to see. These windows start piling up one on top of the other. And I'm okay with making pretty much zero progress on this today. This is just an hour of me. As long as I spend an hour trying, I feel good that I've done what I wanted to do. Because it's weird to like learn and stream this. But if I just learn it on my own, I have no motivation to do this by myself. I'd rather do something else. In front of you, it does give me some motivation. All right, downloads. I paused that one. I'm okay. If I just get the thing up, I'm all right with that. I'll just show you what I'm looking at here. Yeah. This one is just not going fast. So this is part of the experience as well. I have an Ethernet cable I've been meaning to hook up for a month. I'm going to go get it and hook it up. And that is going to be part of the experience. Where that new Ethernet cable I bought went? It had the little white things that you nailed into the wall. It looks like one of these that I ran under the carpet. All right. Well, it's currently hiding somewhere. My music studio has fused with my children's playroom, so I think it was confused for a toy somewhere along the line. But that's all part of the parenting experience. See how this download's coming. By the time it's done, I'll about have my hour of practice in. That's awesome. So, episode 3 may just be the downloading of the software. Episode 4, we'll get some stuff done. Perhaps. Anyway, let's just talk about why I want to learn this software. I feel that if you want to do YouTube long term, although there's many different ways to do it now. I did see one guy, he had, you know, well, even like the Duran. I love the Duran. Do they need to edit video? No. That's some of my favorite stuff on YouTube, just people getting on there and talking. Do they need? So I don't know. I don't know if I even need this elaborate tool, but it's something I want to learn, and I think it is a valuable skill. So that's kind of the idea, is every day put in an hour of work on learning a valuable skill. And this one is video editing. It said 10 minutes and now it's up to 11, 12, 13. Well, that's this makes me feel like the old dial-up days. Remember those days? Now we're up to 15, 16, 17 minutes. Let's not watch it. What do they say? A watched download never completes. Is that how the saying goes? I believe. Need a little cheap camera for this one too. I find it interesting here on the YouTube. My channel's been built almost exclusively with short videos, goofy videos of me doing goofy things. And that builds my channel. But then when I try to make substantial, like actual video content, the algorithm has little interest in that anymore, which is fine. That's what I want to do. So that's what I'm going to do it. And I feel like if I keep at it, something will happen. Something will happen. 8 minutes. We're down to 8 minutes. I wonder, I could have probably grabbed those from my other computer in this amount of time. R17 Beginner's Guide Lessons. Oh, it's so close to done, though. So close to done. Okay. Let's see here. Let's just take a look around this thing while that's completing. All right. Share screen. Oh, there it is. And before we do this, 8 minutes left. We might get 10 minutes of work in, perhaps. 7 minutes. Oh, we're making progress. Okay. So let's pull this up and just take a look around it. It is so complicated. The thing that's really thrown me off is it wants you to say what your base timeline is before it will let you work with stuff, which I guess that makes sense when I think about it. I've heard people be like, why doesn't it just work? And they're like, well, because this is a professional video software. Like in iMovie, um, that was a janky way to do it. Like it wouldn't let me export 4K unless there was a clip at the beginning of the video that was a 4K clip. So I just went in a dark closet and recorded like the smallest 4K clip I could, like click, click, and then just put that at the beginning. And then my timeline was 4K. And I was like, that's really annoying. Why isn't there just a export as 4K button? Which I guess in here there is. But let's see, file, new project, new bin, new timeline, close current timeline, close project, save as, import media, subtitle, preconformed EDL, who knows what that means. Import metadata to, export metadata from, easy DCP, no idea. Black Magic Cloud account, okay. Here we go, all the cut, ripple cut. I think ripple cut makes it like all move back. Control Shift X, cut head, cut tail, copy, copy head, copy tail, paste, paste insert, paste attributes, paste value, remove attributes, duplicate clip, duplicate selection, delete selected, ripple delete. What's the difference between ripple cut and ripple delete? Delete gaps, select all, deselect all, select, insert, overwrite, replace, place on top, ripple overwrite, fit to fill, pin to end of timeline, multicam. I can see how that could be helpful. If you had all black magic time coded cameras, that would really help. Switch to timeline after edit, decompose compound clips on edit. Normal edit mode, trim mode, range selection mode, dynamic trim mode, toggle slip slide mode, blade edit mode, trim editor. Select nearest edit point, select nearest video edit point, select nearest audio edit point, select nearest clip gap, select all clips under playhead, edit point type. Select nearest edit to, select nearest clip to, nudge. Trim start, trim end. One frame left, one frame right, multi-frame left, multi-frame right. Okay. Extend edit selection to, move edit selection to, resize, ripple, roll, playhead, slip playhead to, slip audio, slip eye. What in the world does that mean? Timeline, add transition, select clips backward, select clips forward, select clips with flag color, lemon, sand, cocoa, cream, mint, fuchsia. Okay. Select clips with marker color. Select clips with clip color. Razor, split clip, join clips. That makes sense to me. Razor, I guess, just cuts them in two. Detect scene cuts. Create subtitles from audio. That's very helpful. Clean up video tracks. Mute tracks. Clear mutes. Solo tracks. Clear solo. Clean up video tracks. Change unused clip color, flatten audio track layers, trim audio edits to frame boundaries, match frame, swap timeline and source viewer, snapping, link selection, linked move across tracks, selection follows playhead, layered audio editing, audio scrubbing, jog, loop jog, ripple timeline markers, playback post roll, track destination selection, lock tracks, auto track selector, enable disable video tracks, output blanking, Find current timeline in media pool. Okay. And here is the clips. See how our download is going. So this one. Oh, 1 minute left. Okay. Well, let's just wait for it. We're almost done. Okay. Now find my StreamYard button right there. Okay. Hey, it's done. I think it's thinking about it. No, it's done. There we go. Okay, so I guess I put these in my video folder. Copying. Just move it. Just move it. Okay. Okay. Oh, we copied everything. So let's delete it off the desktop because I'll forget about it. And it will just plug up my hard drive. Delete. And let's make a this new Windows is so confusing. I want to make an alias. How do I do that? Copy as path, maybe? Is that what it is? New shortcut. Okay. Video right there. That's what I want. Next. Finish. Okay. I think I fixed it. All right. So let's see if go back here and look at how to put it in the lessons. Okay. Let's see if it comes up with stuff now. Media pool. How do I import media? Import media. Is it a bin? Do I import it as a bin? Let's see. Or do I just import it as media? Okay. new timeline. Okay. Where do I import the media? Okay. Click new project and name your project OMO Quick Cut and click create. OMO Quick Cut. Create. Hang on. I'll put this over here. And put this over here. It'll let me. Can I hide this? There we go. Well, there we can zoom out. There we go. Okay. Let's see where this is. Okay. There it is. Okay. Okay. All right. 58 minutes. Okay. A little quick cut. The cut page and edit page provide different interfaces for these two different cultures of editors. The cut page removes wasteful steps and anything that slows you down. Every click or action you perform on the cut page has a direct result. No wasted time. Okay. And import some clips. In the open dialog, navigate. Okay. I don't know where that button is. You import clips into the media pool using the buttons in the upper left corner. In the upper left corner of the media pool, click the Import Media Folder button. I think it's this. Open. Open. Okay. Can I just do this? Blank RTF. Okay. What is going on? Is it still zipped? Is that the problem? We're at an hour. I feel I've gotten nowhere. This is how most of my learning software seems to go. And I can't say this is fun. I'm not having fun doing this. But I'm gonna keep doing it because I feel it's important. Okay. Okay, I see they're all in there. It just wouldn't import them as what they are. Do I gotta drill down more into it? Is that the problem? Navigate to the Documents folder where you place the R17 Beginner's Guide lessons. Within that folder, select the OMO footage. Okay. Media pool. Import media folder button. Import media. Okay, so I'll show you what I did. Pretty much the same thing. I just had to click into this and then click OMO footage. We'll see if that OMO, I picked that. This folder includes, okay, can I just do that? When you import a folder that contains the folder structure is maintained. Is it? Like, this is not what it says it will do. Select the OMO footage folder. This folder contains subfolders. Click open in the dialog to import the folders and clips. That's not what that does. Open. Interviews, no. I don't know. Is it import bin? Is that what it is? Like import a bin of media, perhaps, like this. No, that is not it. I'm already like, why are you doing this to yourself? Import media. Import media folder. Okay. Import media folder. There we go. Right there. No, this one. This one. Select. Okay, here we go. Click change. Okay, change. Okay, I remember doing this. So I had done all that. So let's go to this. And we're still here. Except we've got this set up on a new computer. So next time we should be able to do it from here. And I think my mouse has died. This is the challenge stream. I don't know if she's laughing at me, with me. Could be both. I feel like I almost need to inventory my life. Like an Excel spreadsheet of everything I own and where it's located. Because I buy things and then they disappear. I bought a new Ethernet cable. I have no idea where it is. I bought tons of rechargeable batteries? God knows. Changing the clips in the source tape. I'm going to make it through at least one page of this. Okay, can you guys see what I'm looking at? Yes, I believe so. Changing the clips in the source tape. In addition to different ways of reviewing the clips, you can also change how the clips are ordered and displayed in source tape mode. Source tape mode will always display the footage from the current bin, including any bins inside the current bin selected in the media pool, and in the order the media pool is displaying the clips. Click the Sort Media By menu at the top of the media pool. Sort Media By menu. Did they get rid of that in this version? This one, maybe? Source tape, maybe? Timeline, multi-source, replay controls. Click the Sort Media By menu at the top of the media pool. This sure looks like the media pool. Sort Media By. Import media. Nope. Nope. Sort Media By. There we go. By default, the clips are displayed in ascending order of their recorded time code. So clips with an earlier time code are displayed higher in the order than others. Okay. Change the Sort Media By. I'm going to do this into assembling the sound bites. Change the Sort Media By to bin. Okay. There, I changed it to bin. Now the clips are displayed in the order of the bin they are in. Notice how the clips have also changed order in the source tape viewer too. I didn't really notice that. Oh, is this so you can just see them all? Okay. I think I get that. Okay. Audio-only clips such as music or sound effects will not be displayed in the source tape, but you can still access them in the media pool. Okay. You can also choose to limit the amount of footage you're currently viewing in the source tape, which is very useful for projects with vast amounts of footage. Click the bin list and select the interview bin. Click the bin list. Interview bin. I think I'm already in that one. Both the media pool and the source tape now display only the clips in the interview bin, organized by clip name and grouped by the hour of the starting time code. Okay. Use the bin list to return to the master bin and display all the clips in the source tape. Okay. You can also choose to display just one clip from the media pool in the viewer, which is very useful if you just want to focus on footage from one clip, such as an interview. Scroll to the bottom of the media pool and select the OMO Store EXT front clip. OMO Store external front clip in the master OMO footage store bin. I think that's what that says. Yes. Apple ProRes 422 proxy. Okay. The source tape moves the playhead to the start of this clip. The source tape moves the playhead to the start of this clip. Oh, I get what you're saying. Yeah. Click the source clip button at the top of the viewer to display just the OMO store exterior front clip, source clip. Cool, I think. Yeah. Oh, okay. I get that. Click the source tape button to return to the whole source tape, like that. You can switch between source tape and source clip modes by pressing Shift Q. Cool. Excellent. You should now have a clear understanding of how the cut page can help you review your footage faster than you ever thought possible. Now the fun part begins as you start to edit these clips together into a short promotional video for the company to use across social media. Reviewing clips with the speed editor. The right side of the speed editor includes dedicated buttons to switch between the timeline and source tape modes. Okay. The search dial can be spun fast to move up and down the footage quickly with the 3 buttons directly above the dial used to configure its behavior. Shift. Use the shuttle key to navigate longer clips quickly. Turning the dial slightly left of the center moves the playhead backward. Turning the dial slightly right moves the playhead forward. The greater the rotation from the center, the faster the shuttle goes. Note that center is located wherever the indentation is positioned when you activate the shuttle button. Shuttle. Not shift, shuttle. Jog. Use this key to navigate short distances with more accuracy and precision. Traditionally, you place your finger on the search dial indentation and rotate it to the left to go frame by frame in reverse, or to the right to go frame by frame forward. Scroll. Use the scroll key as a higher geared jog mode. Rotating the wheel left reverses the play direction, while rotating it right moves forward. Scroll works in terms of seconds rather than frames. The speed at which you rotate the search dial determines how fast the playhead moves through the footage. With the snap button enabled on the speed editor, rotating the search dial very slowly will cause the playhead to pause briefly at each edit point in the timeline. Okay, so I am going to exit out of this and make this big and zoom in. So I am at assembling the sound bites, which is page 29 in the PDF. I do want to go up here and remind myself of these. L plays forward, J plays backward, K stops playing. How do you do LL? You type it, keep pressing L. Okay. JJ. Hold K and press J or L. Jogs forward or backward, 1 frame at a time. Hold K and press either L or J. Oh, okay. It just helps you go through it real fast. Let's see if I can open that. Davinci. I want to play with that just a second. So L makes it go back faster. K stops it. That helps you go faster. K stops it. And if you hold K and tap either J or L, that helps you go one frame forward or backward. Okay. That's one thing I felt was very useful that I could remember. I don't think there's a whole lot. Fast review button. Drag wheel. Go to next clip. I don't know where the drag wheel. This is the drag wheel. Yeah. And this goes to the next clip. Okay. I don't know how it's picking clips. Maybe it's this one goes to. Nope. I don't know. You like that? It goes through all the clips. It goes to the very first clip. Is there not a way to go to the just through the clip? What did it say? Go to next clip to jump to the start of the following clip or go to previous clip.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
I'm sure I'm doing something wrong. Nope. What if I'm like in interviews? Will that work? Nope, that just goes to the next one too. I don't know. I don't like to end on something beating me. That makes me not want to do it anymore. Reviewing clips using source tape. At the top of the viewer, source tape. The media pool immediately switches to a flattened view to show all the footage in your project. Drag the red playhead along the bottom of the viewer to scrub through the footage in your project. This is pretty much the first thing I remember. Go to next clip. It doesn't go to next clip. It goes to the final clip. Is there not a way to like, I guess you could just use your arrow key. Like, I don't know. Keep working at it. I'm doing exactly what it says. No. I think I get it. Okay. So anyway, future Tyler, you are on page 29 in the overall PDF, 14 on the actual page. High-speed editing with the cut page. You are at assembling the sound bites. You just went over this wheel thing. So start next week at assembling the sound bites on page 29 in the PDF. Okay. All right. Hopefully it showed that. If anybody's actually still here, God bless you. I'll see you guys next time.